In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get the TREECAPITATOR in Hypixel Skyblock. So the TREECAPITATOR is an epic axe that can be obtained in two different ways: an Iron Man profile friendly way and a normal player way. So let's start out with the Iron Man profile way, and that is to craft the axe. You'll be able to craft it after you hit level 8 in the obsidian collection, but to craft it you'll need 512 enchanted obsidian and 1 jungle axe. Now let's talk about the normal player way to get the TREECAPITATOR, and that is to either craft it by yourself for about 2.48 million coins from the bazaar, not including the 2 sticks, or you can purchase it from the auction house, and I can quickly show you how much money it is going to be. So if you go into the auction house, either spawn and just click /8h browse option, and then TREECAPITATOR, like so, then you can see the lowest price is gonna be 2.75 million coins. And that is how you can get the TREECAPITATOR in Hypixel Skyblock. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!